Mesh Kumar, Sukhija Accounts Teachings, not for profit organizations. If you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe it. Not for profit organization. There are certain organizations whose aim is not to earn profit but to serve the society. Such types of organizations are also called charitable organizations. These include schools, colleges, educational institutions, clubs, welfare council, children welfare organizations, organizations for welfare of senior citizens, sports organizations, welfare societies, hospitals, etc. Such organizations do not prepare accounts like other business organizations. Rather prepare number 1 receipts and payments account, number 2 income and expenditure account. Receipts and payment account is like cash book. On its debit side we show receipts and on its credit side we show payments. Performa of receipts and payments account. Receipts, payments. To balance BD, that is opening balance of cash bank. To donations, the donation which has been received. To entrance fees. What is entrance fees? When a new member joins such organization, he has to pay certain amount as entry fees. That is called entrance fees. To subscriptions. Subscriptions are the contributions made by the members after a certain period. To special donations. Special donations are when for a particular purpose donation is made, like for construction of building or for buying specific special equipments. To charity, whatever receipt we receive from charity. To grants. Grants are given by the government. Government in its budget makes special provisions for such organization and they provide them grants. To sale of investments, if we have sold any investments. To sale of fixed assets, any fixed assets, machinery, building plant, furniture has been sold. To sale of used items, like it is sports club, we are having used sports items, bats, balls, etc. The organization is selling it. To proceeds from entertainments, they organize entertainment and whatever they gain therefrom, that is called proceeds from entertainment. To sale of newspapers and magazines. Whatever old newspaper and magazines they are having, they sell it. To miscellaneous receipts, any other type of income. To balance CD, if the payments are exceeding receipts, then it will have a overdraft. It will come on this side to balance CD. Then we are having total. Now in payments, by balance BD, if we have overdraft of bank, then will show in the payment side. By fixed assets, if we have bought the fixed assets. By sports equipments, if we have bought the sports equipment, buy investments, buy library books, buy price is paid, buy entertainment expenses, buy purchase of fixed assets, buy bar purchases, buy municipal taxes, buy purchase of new newspaper and magazines, buy miscellaneous payments. If debit side, receipt side exceed the credit side, we have a balance of cash and bank. If cash is given, we can find out bank. If bank is given, we can find out cash. In the receipt side, we can also write two legacies. That is whatever amount is received from legacy. What is legacy? When a person makes his or her will that after my death, this amount is to be or this assets is to be transferred in the name of that particular institution. That is called legacy. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe it. Thank you very much.